Hey everybody, Happy New Year! If I haven't said it already, I'm not sure if I have. I know I promised a video every week and that's not been happening because it's me, basically, but we're going to try and get on track now. So before Christmas, I ordered a box of goodies. I was going to actually film this video for Vlogmas, and then it just never quite happened and never quite materialised. This box here is a mystery box from Amazon. I'm sure we've all heard about mystery boxes by now. And I'll tell you exactly what it says because I've pulled up Amazon on my phone. So this box, is a Ladies' Night of Indulgence mystery pamper box. Then it says it's the perfect gift for that special lady in your life, contains at least 7 items. And I like a mystery box. I got a couple from Groupon, not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before. And some of the stuff that was in them was actually really good and I was able to use it for Christmas presents and stuff. Some of it that I kept for myself, some of it I gave away for Christmas presents. So this is sold by Holland Plastics. I got it from Amazon. Oh, you can't really see that, but I'll show it anyway. And so, yeah, I ordered it and actually I'd looked at them a couple of times and I'd never ordered them. And then I ordered it and I kind of forgot that I'd ordered it. And then this box arrived and my mum was like, "A box has arrived for you." And I was thinking, what? I don't think I've ordered anything. Turns out I'd ordered something. So it says it's suitable for age 6+, and it's actually only got 2.8 out of 5 stars. So it arrives in just a plain old box. The label, which I'm not going to show you, it's got my address, and it does say Holland Plastics, and then an address. And I hadn't realised it was from Holland Plastics, so when it came in as Holland Plastics, I was like, I can't even think what this is. So I had a quick look in the box, because obviously I had to open it to see what it was, but I've not really delved in. So my plan for this video is we're going to have a look inside, see what's inside, see if we think it's worth the $15.99. And then it says that it is a night of pampering. I think that's what it said. Ladies' Night of Indulgence mystery pamper box. So since it's winter, well, it's January, and everything's kind of like bleh in January, we're going to see if we can pamper ourselves using what's in the box. And see if we feel a bit indulgent and see if we could just perk us up a bit. Because it's winter and everyone's just a bit like, meh. My skin is particularly dry at the moment. I mean, my skin is dry all year round. It's particularly dry at the moment. And actually, I don't know if you can tell, but I've got quite a few spots going on just now, which is just weird. So yeah, so my skin's not happy and life is just a bit meh, so we could really do with some indulgent pampering. So let's see what's in the box. So the first thing that's coming out is this massive box, which is Posy Blossom Eau de Parfum. Parfum. I don't know if you can quite see that, this camera's not the best. So perfume, basically. Avoid contact with eyes. Just looks like a... yeah. So that's what it... if I was having like... I'm sure when I actually bought it, it now says Ladies' Night of Indulgence. I'm sure when I bought it, it was actually called a Ladies' Night In box. Or something like that. So perfumes, and I wouldn't generally wear perfume on a night... I'd wear perfume on a night out. I wouldn't wear perfume on a night in. Like, especially if I'm just at home, like, hoodie, whatever, chilling at home. So, we'll see. We've got a little one of these things, a net bath sponge for your shower. What's next? Oh, why don't we take out? We've got, I'm guessing they're face masks. So that looks like a food. Well, we'll get there in a second. So this first one here, I feel like I've seen this before. This brand, Beauty Formulas Deep Absorbing Facial Mask with Activated Charcoal. I love a charcoal mask. I really like a charcoal mask, so excited to try that one out. What's this next one? a Derma V10 hydrating vitamin E woven face mask with aloe vera. Softens, smooths, and improves texture. And then this one, oh yes, this is a foot pack. Olive exfoliating foot pack. Deeply moisturizes, helping to reduce callus buildup and split heels, leaving them feeling soft and silky smooth. So we got our face, we got our feet, we got our body, muscle body. So what's next? I'll take this out. Pepsi Cherry Vanilla. Now this is lip balm, isn't it? Yes. Lip balm. What was that? Oh, they did a lot of ones like this. They did lots of different like soda flavours and stuff that were like super cool when I was younger. Trendy. You get them. I think you still get them in Claire's and stuff. Is it Lip Smackers? They look a bit like that, but it doesn't say it's Lotta Love Beauty. Lotta Love Beauty. Looks a bit like, I'm sure it's Lip Smackers. Apply smoothly and evenly to lips. Do things like lip balms even need instructions? It's like when you see instructions on shampoo and you're like, does anybody not know how to use shampoo? Not to be eaten. Do not eat. Body butter. Cocoa body butter from, that's Derma V10 again. See, it's interesting, it says Derma V10 Tech Solutions. I mean, most beauty, cosmetic, pharmacy brands wouldn't be like tech solutions, but so that's for normal to dry skin. Perfect. And that's for anywhere, so yeah. I'll have to try that out. I do like a body butter. Because we've got 2 items, I think, left in our box. So this is an anti-aging eye cream with collagen, omega-3, paraben-free and non-greasy. Oh, with caffeine. The last item, I realise I've just spent 10 minutes on talking nonsense, but that's fine. UK Candle Company. So we've got a candle which burns for approximately 100 hours. If you've got like a ladies like pamper indulgence night, treat yourself night, and it lasts 100 hours, that's one heck of a like indulgence night. So, oh, and it's an ivory in case you couldn't tell. So I guess what's left now is to give these things a try.